Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to UX Meet after a long time, and today we have got this brand new trending prompt for you guys. Imagine you just become a Met Gala celebrity using AI. These viral ChatGPT prompts are insane. Comment prompt below, and I'll give you 5 copy paste ready Met Gala AI prompts. Link of those prompts so you can just access those 5 prompts as well as all other prompts. So what you have to do, just open the ChatGPT and just make sure you click on create image, paste the prompt which you would be copying from the link which I'll give you, and you can keep auto for the image dimensions and just upload a reference image of yours. So I'm just going to upload a reference image here. You can upload any reference image, and these prompts are generic and unisex prompts, so you can use for boys, girls, male, female, for any gender, it doesn't matter at all. And just hit send button, so ChatGPT will create this trending Met Gala style image of yours. While it is creating the image, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, and comment below prompt to get these 5 insane prompts of Met Gala AI viral trend.